We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Introducing the largest, most powerful Ninja kitchen system yet. This professional quality powerhouse handles limitless tasks in seconds, freeing you to focus on cooking, serving, and savoring. There are so many functions to the Ninja Mega Kitchen system, including frozen blending, food processing, complete juicing, and dough mixing, all in one unit. The Ninja Mega Kitchen system is a powerful kitchen tool that enables anyone to rule the kitchen. Now let me walk you through what's included with your Ninja Mega Kitchen system. The extra large 72-ounce pitcher is a multitasking pitcher, specially designed with a superior blade system that creates a powerful vortex, providing the smoothest blended ingredients and nutritious complete juices in seconds. Our single-serve blending cups offer the professional, high-power performance of the full-size blender, now in single-serve blending cups. Create personal health drinks to go. Our 8-cup processor bowl, with a generous 8-cup capacity, features unbeatable food processing with a 4-stack blade system and equips home bakers with a range of high-performance features for fast, efficient dough mixing. By just inserting this dough blade, we've equipped you with an instruction booklet, a quick start guide, and an inspiration guide that features quick tips and delicious recipes. There's so much power and so much versatility in this unit. It's a true asset to any kitchen. Some of you might have received our 3-cup mini prep bowl. If you didn't, you can easily order it online at ninjamegakitchen.com.
Blendtec, we believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are. And people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.
We gave the extraordinary new KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the top chefs from the world-renowned Institute of Culinary Education in New York City and asked them to put it to the toughest tests in their professional kitchens. Watch their reactions.
That was fast.
And that is one of the most powerful blenders I've ever worked with.
The exclusive KitchenAid Diamond Blending System with patented stainless steel blades and 60-ounce patented diamond pitcher design creates a powerful vortex, while the IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts for optimal speed and power.
What I really like about the exclusive diamond blending system is it allows you to blend fresh ingredients packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So creations like this are both healthy and delicious.
Basically, we're getting perfect results with everything.
And just look at the impressive results when the chefs tested it against this professional style blender. When your blender is this good, there's so much more to make. Like gourmet crepes for breakfast, fresh salads for lunch, delicious soups for dinner, and more. Even healthy smoothies and delicious frozen drinks. Put the ice chef-tested KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the test in your kitchen